Alright, what's going on YouTube? Murticus is back here bringing you guys another video in the 2008 Toyota Prius. It's currently 46 degrees out and I am going on a little cruise. Look at this. It thinks my backpack is a passenger, which is it. As you can see, there's no passenger there. That's kind of weird. So look at these pretty lights. Gotta look both ways. Good to go on my end. So back to the topic. It's 46 degrees. It's actually not too cold. It's December and it's only 46. A couple nights ago in my area it was way colder. I believe it was in the 20s. We turn right here. Ooh, hello. There was a cop right there, which I don't know why. Off we go. Off we go. The windows are down. Let me put them up. I'm gonna have to fix that window motor in the car. It's a little finicky. But right now we're just driving, enjoying the scenery. It's currently 9:55 p.m. or 9:50. I have this clock 5 minutes ahead. It's actually 9:50 p.m. and I'm gonna just turn right here. I'm gonna yield at this flash. It's 9:50. And like I said, my clock is 5 minutes ahead. So, I wasn't kidding. Just enjoying this nice little drive. Hope everyone's doing well. Gonna continue to make these nice content of POV driving of this 2008 Toyota Prius. And, you know, hopefully we'll get to another Prius or some type of other car. And it'll be a lot of fun, guys. Look at that guy with his high beams on. Crazy. There's a whole police like meetup right there outside of this title boxing. I think I saw like almost 10 police. Good amount. You know, I don't know what the crime rates are around my area, but I hope, you know, they do a good job. I'm thankful for them for protecting us from, you know, like danger and, you know, just all the nonsense we don't need. So, shout out to them. It's a nice little road we're on. Turn my high beams on, no one's in front of me. It says there's a camera. I'm gonna turn right here. nice little neighborhood. Some people at that little elementary school going. I don't know what's going on over there. It says photo enforced. It's a pretty nice looking area, man. I mean, these are some pretty big single family homes in my opinion. I'm trying to give you guys a good view of them. Pretty dope. Oh, and here's a nice little Benz. Thing looks like a tank on the road. Oh my goodness. Literally looks like a freaking tank. In like white paint. It's crazy. Good job by Mercedes. But yeah, guys, super fun to make these videos. This is a nighttime POV. I have some of like daytime too, if you guys want to check those out. They're pretty dope. Look at all these, another red Prius, pretty dope. But yeah, guys, we're getting 99.9 miles per gallon. That is incredible. We're just running on the battery right now. Going up this hill. Pretty cool that it can handle this hill. I mean, this is a pretty steep uphill. Speed limit's 35. Just running on that electric motor. Now I'm coasting. Nice little 35 mile per hour. Oh, 37. It's picking up. 38. Let's see if we could get to 40. Let's see. Oh, come on. There we go. 40, baby. There we go. Alright, guys. I think I'm going to end the video right there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Love making these. Oh, let me slow down for this camera. Look at this. Look at that. That thing is wicked looking. Oh, there goes my radar detector. So, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Love you all. Take care. Peace.